My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 Nissan Qashqai. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 26,000 miles with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have voice control, cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access our home, navigation, radio, smartphone integration and apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. And just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.